This salt mine and factory are a combination of factories. Although it is very interesting, it is a bit too rushed. I only listened to the tour guide and didn't have a chance to take pictures. I suggest you sign up for a full day at the salt mine. Wieliczka Salt Mine and Schindler's Factory half-day tour from Krakow. Discover the awe-inspiring depths of one of the world's most famous mines, stretching across nearly 300 kilometers of hallways and descending 327 meters underground. This historic site, consisting of 9 levels, showcases the remarkable evolution of mining, offering an unparalleled journey through time. Within this subterranean city, explore renowned chambers and chapels, including the celebrated St. King's Chapel, a marvel that draws over 1 million visitors annually. Following your exploration of the mine, step back into a darker chapter of history at the Schindler's Factory Museum. Located in the very factory where industrialist Oskar Schindler saved more than 1,000 lives during the Holocaust, this museum has gained worldwide recognition through the iconic film, Schindler's List.